query is there? Good morning to all of you. We are doing chapter number 2, that is all about the teeth. Yesterday we have done the structure of the tooth. Clear? Now look at this picture. By the time some other students are joining, you have to look at it carefully, and after that I'm going to put a few questions regarding this, regarding the structure of tooth. Okay, proper labeling is there. तो आप देखो कि what are the different parts of the tooth, and briefly उन्होंने hint दिया हुआ है how can we define these, what is the function of these. Look at it beta. Okay, it's done. Yes, okay. Now look at this, where my cursor is, white colored layer of the tooth. What do we call it? Write it in the chat box. What do we call the outermost layer of the, what do we call the outermost layer of the tooth? Write it in the chat box. What do we call it? Hanji beta. It is called enamel. Very good. Many students has answered it. It's correct. It is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the body, hardest part of our tooth. What is the function of this? What is the function of enamel? Enamel is the white colored calcified layer. Calcified means made up of calcium. And it is to chew. It helps, means that is the function of our teeth. What is the function of enamel? Enamel protects the inner layers of the tooth. Very good. Arnav, good answer. Yes, beta. And what is the name the second layer? Below enamel, which is yellow in color. Look at where the cursor is. Name this layer which is present below enamel. It is dentine. Clear? Dentine is the layer which is present below the enamel. It is hard but softer than enamel. It is hard. It is more hard. It is harder than bone. Bone से ज़्यादा hard है, but it is softer than enamel. Clear? It protects, its function is to protect the inner pulp. So what is the third layer, which is red in color? जो red color में है, that layer is called pulp. And what is the function of the pulp? What does it contain? What is inside the pulp? And what is the function of it? Yes, write it beta. Yes, pulp का function, it contains blood vessels and nerves. Clear? Blood vessels provide nourishment, they provide blood to the teeth. It is the soft part of the tooth which contains blood vessels and nerves. Okay, it gets nourishment, it has nerves also. Nerves are the thread-like structures which help us, which help the teeth to feel, touch, pain, hot, cold, etc. Okay, teeth sensitive होता है because of these nerves. Blood vessels provide blood to the tooth. Clear? So it is the inner layer of the teeth. So there are three layers: outermost enamel, middle one dentine, then inner one is the pulp. Pulp contains blood vessels and the nerves. And it has two parts. One part is inside the gum and another part is outside the gum. The part of the tooth which is outside the gum, what do we call it? Write it. Crown. Very good, Arnav. You are very quick to answer. Yes, crown is present outside the gum, and inside the gum it has root. Okay, root is there inside the gum, and root helps to hold it at, it help to hold the teeth, tooth in the place, proper place पे उसको hold करने में help करते हैं root. Clear? So the pink hard part of the teeth is called gum. What is gum? Gum is the pink colored hard part on which teeth are attached. वो पार्ट जिसमें टीथ अटैच होता है, पिंक कलर का पार्ट होता है, इट इज हार्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड गम. एंड गम्स आर अटैच टू द बोनी पार्ट्स कॉल्ड जॉज. गम कहाँ पे ज्वाइन होते हैं, कहाँ पे अटैच्ड होते हैं? टू द जॉज. क्लियर? वेरी गुड. इनामल, डेंटाइन, गम. गम बाद में आएगा बेटा, पल्प पहले आएगा. Pulp, dentine and enamel are the layers of the tooth, and tooth is present, it is attached in the gum, and gum is attached to bony part, that is called jaw. Clear? Two parts of tooth are there, crown and root. Now hope it's clear to you. Now comes the different types of teeth. Clear? There are different types of teeth that we also have discussed when we have done the permanent teeth and the temporary teeth. Two set of teeth are there. Clear? Four types of teeth are there: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay? You should know the names of all these types of teeth and their function and their structure also. क्लियर? सबसे पहले हम देख रहे हैं इंसाइजर्स. इंसाइजर्स आपके जो फ्रंट वाले 4 टीथ हैं. ओके, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द, बेटा डोंट पेस्ट दिस लिंक. हु इज देयर? यस. देन आफ्टर दैट incisors, what are incisors? Incisors are the front 4 teeth. What is the function of incisors? They are used for cutting and biting. Okay, we cut the food. अगर आपने एप्पल खाना है तो कहाँ से बाइट करते हो? With the help of front teeth. कुछ भी आपने कटिंग करनी है, एप्पल को काटना है, बाइट करना है, तो use the front 4 teeth incisors. They are used for cutting also and biting also. What is the number of incisors? 8. Each jaw has 4 incisors. Clear? Total number 8. Very good. Then after incisors, there come the canines. Canines are used for what? What is the function of canines? Tearing. देखा ना आपने, चीता और लॉयंस, उनके जो canines हैं, they are very long and sharp. हमारे canines भी sharp होते हैं because they are used for tearing. हमने कुछ टीयर करना है तो हम थोड़ा फ्रंट से नहीं, हम थोड़ा सा साइड ले जाके टीयर करते हैं because our canines are sharp. वो शार्प होते हैं, टीयर करने के लिए हम उन्हें यूज करते हैं. Their number is 4, 2 in each jaw. Okay, on each side of the canines, incisors फ्रंट में 4 होते हैं. incisors के बाद एक इधर साइड और एक दूसरी साइड क्या होता है? 1 canine. एक इधर साइड canine, एक इधर साइड. ऐसे ही लोअर में भी, लोअर जॉ में भी canines होते हैं. ओके, गुड. देन their function is tearing. Then comes the premolars. Premolars are 8 in number. Okay, same number as that of the incisors. Incisors and premolars both are 8 in number, but incisors are used for cutting and biting, but premolars are used for crushing and cracking. कोई चीज तोड़नी है हमने तो वी क्रश करनी है, तो दैट इज डन बाय प्रीमोलर्स. प्रीमोलर्स कैनाइन के साथ में ही होते हैं, दो इधर दो इधर. क्लियर. टोटल नंबर 2 2 2 and 2, total 8, 4 in each jaw. 4 plus 4 8. Very good. But it's good that you are taking part through the chat box, but some students don't write. So total number is 8, 4 in each jaw, and the function of premolars is crushing and cracking the food. Okay. Next come the molars. Molars come at the last. यहाँ लास्ट पे जो हमारे होते हैं आफ्टर प्रीमोलर्स, molars are present, 3 in the adult on each side of the premolars. 3 this side, 3 this side. Total number 6. 6 plus 6 both jaws में 12. But आपके अभी 12 नहीं हुए होंगे. Clear? They are used for grinding the food. ग्राइंड करते हैं ना, बिल्कुल पीस देते हैं. दे आर ब्रॉडर, बहुत ब्रॉड होते हैं. दे आर यूज फॉर ग्राइंडिंग द फूड एंड देयर नंबर इज 12. 6 plus 6, 6 in each jaw. Clear? So now we have to see what is this, how does they look, how do they look, कैसे वो दिखते हैं. The surface जो उनका outer surface है, upper surface है, incisors का कैसे होता है, straight. और canines they are pointed. वो तीखे होते हैं, but their incisors they are straight. उनका surface straight होता है. canines ने tear करना है food को, they are pointed. And premolars they are broad. प्रीमोलर्स कैसे होते हैं, जैसे आपको पिक में दिख रहा है. दे आर ब्रॉड, दे आर नॉट पॉइंटेड. ओके, वो प्लेन भी नहीं होते, दे आर ब्रॉड होते. ओके, देन मोलर्स दे आर इवन ब्रॉडर देन द प्रीमोलर्स. वो प्रीमोलर्स से भी ज्यादा ब्रॉड होते. ओके, now you have to do one activity that is given page number 15. Open your book. वहां पे आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू वॉश योर फिंगर फर्स्ट. आपने अपनी फिंगर को वॉश करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर एंड योर मिरर ऑल्सो. यू हैव टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ टीथ डू यू हैव. आपने देखना है कि अब तक आपके कितने टीथ आ चुके हैं. अभी आपके 32 नहीं हुए होंगे. ओके, अभी नहीं करना, अभी आपने वॉश नहीं किया फिंगर को. क्लियर? आपने आपके, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू हिंट, इंसाइजर सबके 4 ही होंगे. आपने देखना है कि जो पुराने वाले वो टूट के नए वाले आ गए हैं. ओके, टेम्परेरी टूट गए हैं. हाउ मेनी आर रिप्लेस्ड. देन आपने कैनाइंस देखने हैं, वो भी सबके 4 आ चुके होंगे. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव. एंड देन प्रीमोलर्स भी सबके 2 होंगे ईच साइड, मीन्स 4 plus 4 सबके 8 होंगे. बट डिफरेंस कहाँ पे आएगा, मोलर्स में. कुछ बच्चों के अभी मीन्स 2 मोलर्स हो सकते हैं ऑन ईच साइड, मीन्स 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8 हो सकते हैं. और कुछ के अभी 4 ही होंगे. कुछ बच्चों को अभी 1 मोलर ऑन ईच साइड, मीन्स टोटल 4 मोलर्स हो सकते हैं. कुछ के 8 भी हो सकते हैं. बट जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो आपके 1 ऑन ईच साइड 4 more molars can be there, जिनको हम कहते हैं विजडम टीथ. जो हमारा थर्ड मोलर होता है ऑन ईच साइड, वी कॉल इट विजडम टीथ. दे कम एट द लास्ट. तो जब आप एडल्ट हो जाते हो एट अराउंड द एज ऑफ 16 to 18, देन these teeth they grow. Clear? So you have to find out and you have to fill this table given at page 15 in the book. अपनी वो टेबल फिल करना है. Then next is before this cavities, before we do the cavities, I want to tell you what is chewing. Chewing means the actions that we do with the help of the teeth, that is crushing, cracking, grinding, all that we call chewing of the food. all types of teeth are used to cut, to bite, to ground, okay, to grind. All these actions collectively we call chewing of the food. Now next is cavities. Do you have cavities? No? Chalo. Okay, what do you mean by cavities? Cavities means hole in the teeth. Teeth में hole हो जाता है. What causes this? उसका रीजन क्या होता है? When you don't do the brushing properly. You don't do the brush twice a day. Do you do? आप twice a day brush करते हो? Write it yes or no. Most of the students, they do once in the morning, but you should do it twice. Before going to bed, you must do the brush. Otherwise, you may have the cavities. Clear? Yes, someone has written there are 2 cavities. Okay? So cavities should not be there because आपके जो permanent teeth हैं, they will not be replaced once more. Okay, आपके आप अब और एक बार teeth नहीं आएंगे. You have to take care of these. So what do you mean by cavities? When you eat the food, to it some fine particles of the food, they get stuck to the teeth. Okay, they remain trapped on the teeth. They form a yellow sticky layer on the teeth in which bacteria live. When you eat the food, some fine particles of the food, okay, they remain trapped in between the teeth. They form a yellow sticky layer on the teeth in which bacteria live, in which microbes live. Okay. If we see with the help of magnifying glass, so we can see the germs present in the teeth in the yellow sticky layer if you don't brush the teeth properly. Clear? So these germs, they form the acid. वो क्या करते हैं? Germs form the acid, and when they eat the food particles, it results in the formation of an acid. This acid, it helps to decay your teeth. It causes the decaying of the teeth. It means teeth में hole होना start हो जाते हैं. First of all, it is in the outer layer enamel. See the first picture. आप जो first picture में देखोगे कि one hole has started, formation has started. तो वो in the first picture it is just in the enamel. जो outermost part है उसमें start हो चुकी है cavity form होना. When it is in the advanced stage, तो वो थोड़ी और deep हो जाती है cavity, and in the third stage, when it reaches the dentine, then it causes pain. Because जो dentine है ये भी थोड़ा सा sensitive होता है. Clear? तो थोड़ी हल्की pain start हो जाती है when the hole reaches the dentine. But when it reaches the pulp, it is very painful. Pulp is sensitive, it has nerves, तो आपको बहुत pain feel होती है, and your teeth becomes prone to the infections. मुंह में कोई भी बैक्टीरिया वायरस जाता है, it can easily enter the pulp. Okay, food खाते हो वो भी cavity में चला जाता है, it can reach the pulp, and it is then very painful. Then you need to remove that tooth, or then you have to go for root canal treatment. Doctor gives injections in the mouth. It's very painful to remove the tooth. So we should be very careful regarding this. We should clean our teeth properly. We should take care of the teeth properly. Okay? तो आपको इस चीज को बहुत सीरियसली लेना चाहिए. We should brush the teeth properly. Is it clear now? So there is another name of cavities, that is dental caries. Dental caries भी हम इसे कहते हैं. So when your mouth is not clean, food particles are there, germs, they eat that food particles, those food particles. So they form the acid. This acid makes holes in the teeth and we call it cavity. Now we should take care of the teeth. The first one is brush your teeth twice a day. This is very important. Clear? And we should brush properly. Inside of the teeth, outside, okay? Around all sides of the teeth, we should have to clean the teeth. We should have to brush it properly. It should not be there कि आपने brush लिया इधर घुमाया एक बार इधर then हो गया. No. We should clean the teeth properly. Like this. Clear? Inside the teeth also, it should be downwards and upwards. अगर incisors हैं तो up and down. Okay, upside, downside. And when you reach the premolars and molars, then it should be in the circular form. And we should clean the upper surface of the teeth also. वो भी हमें clean करना है. And like this. Okay. जो उसका प्रीमोलर्स मोलर्स उसकी जो ब्रॉड साइड है दैट शुड आल्सो बी क्लीन्ड. Food should not remain stuck in the teeth. We have to remove it, otherwise bacteria will eat that food and they will form the acid, and acid will make the cavities. If cavities are there, infection will be there, and then you need to remove the teeth. That should not be there. So we should take care of our teeth properly. And second, very important, say no to sweets and chocolates. अगर आपको चॉकलेट्स पसंद है तो बैक्टीरिया को भी पसंद है. ओके, जितने आप स्वीट्स खाओगे, चॉकलेट्स खाओगे, ब्रश नहीं करोगे, तो मोर चांसेस ऑफ कैविटीज आर देयर. यू कैन ईट बट it should be in a controlled way. And after eating you should brush. ठीक है, तो आपने अगर मीठा खाया है तो आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ब्रश इट उसको, अदरवाइज bacteria will be there and they will form the acid. So say no to chocolates and sweets. Now clean your tongue also. You have to clean the teeth and you have to clean your tongue also, because some bacteria they reside on the upper part of the tongue. That we can use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. अपनी टंग क्लीन करने के लिए टंग क्लीनर यूज करना चाहिए. ब्रश के ऊपर भी टंग क्लीनर होते हैं, तो उसको भी आप टर्न करके यू कैन क्लीन द टंग. ओके, देन क्लीनिंग ऑफ माउथ. आफ्टर एवरी मील वी शुड वॉश द माउथ विद वाटर. यू हैव टू पुट वाटर इन द माउथ. ओके, मूव इट around the teeth all sides, then remove it. So that should be done after every meal. After every meal we cannot have the brushing. Brush nahi karte. We can brush twice a day, but after every meal we have to wash the mouth with the clean water. Then there is flossing. Flossing means we have to use a clean thread. That is to remove the food particles in between the teeth. Clear? ऐसे थ्रेड लेकर, क्लीन थ्रेड, सिल्की थ्रेड होता है ये, तो इसको ऐसे रैप कर लेते हैं अराउंड द फिंगर्स. Then you have to clean the teeth like this in between the teeth to remove the food particles. Some food particles, they reach the places where brush do not go. Okay, bristles of the brush do not go. So we can go for flossing also. Okay, what is there in flossing? We use a thread, fine silky thread, to clean the teeth, to clean the food in between the teeth. Okay, this can be done. Then for a bright smile, you have to go to the dentist twice a year. आफ्टर एवरी 6 months you have to go to the dentist. जो डेंटल जो टीथ जो है उनकी केयर करने के लिए डॉक्टर होते हैं, तो डेंटिस्ट के पास आपको जाना है आफ्टर एवरी 6 months टू चेक इफ देयर इज अ कैविटी और नॉट. अगर कैविटी स्टार्ट ही हुई है तो आप उसको ट्रीट कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट पेनफुल एट दैट टाइम. then you can protect your teeth against decaying. आप अपने टीथ को बचा सकते हो when you go regularly to the dentist. क्लियर? जब आप डेंटिस्ट के पास जाओगे तो उसके पास टीथ भी बड़े होते हैं, सेट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल टीथ पड़े होते हैं, तो आप उसको स्टडी कर सकते हो कि कैसी शेप है इन साइजेस की, कैनाइंस की, मोलर्स, प्री मोलर्स. Okay, all that you can put question to the dentist regarding the teeth. Okay, you have to take proper care of your teeth. Okay beta, now this is all about this chapter. Now you can unmute yourself if any problem is there regarding the structure of the tooth, regarding temporary teeth, permanent teeth, types of teeth, their function. Okay, how can you take care of your teeth? So you can ask me right now. Abhi aap, you can raise hand. Ma'am will allow you to unmute, then you can put your question. Hanji Arnav, you want to say something? Arnav, unmute beta.
मैम
जी
मैम ये जो हमारा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टूथ है मैम ये